University, located in Bangalore, was established in 2013. It has a total of 3 campuses in Bangalore. The institution has an overall rating of 4 stars out of 5 from students on Shiksha.com. How is the Ring Road campus for BTech? Let's find out. Starting right off with the placements, which has been rated 4.2 stars. In PES's 2022-23 placements, notable recruiters included Google, Morgan Stanley, Microsoft, Netflix, Meta and Apple. Over 1,199 students out of a total of 1,445 were placed in 2022-2023, resulting in a placement rate of 83%. The highest package reached up to 65 lakh per annum, whereas the median was around 8 lakh per annum. Looking at the year-on-year trend, the median packages have increased to 8 lakh per annum in 2022-23, marking a 6.6% rise from the previous year. The average salary at PES is notably higher than the neighboring DSC, that is Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering. Students report roles offered such as software engineer, data analyst, marketing executive, mechanical engineer and electrical engineer, with top positions including team leader and developer. Students know that 60 to 75% secure internships through campus during the 2-month summer break. PES offers 6 specializations as part of its BTech program. The BTech program has an intake of 1,740 students. The eligibility requires 60% in 10+2, with admission based on PESSAT, KCET or JEE main scores. PES KCET cutoff in 2023 showed significant fluctuations compared to the previous year. Meanwhile, DSCE also exhibits variable trends, but admission seems easier at DSCE with lower closing cutoff ranks compared to PES. The annual BTech program ranges between 3.9 lakh to 4.9 lakh, with higher fees for CSE and lower fees for non-CSE disciplines. 7 scholarships are available based on merit, corporate and external support, assistantships and financial need. This earns the institute a 3.9 star value for money rating on Shiksha.com. Directing attention to the 4-star rated infrastructure now. PES's 30-acre campus features a library, hostel, sports complex, cafeteria and more. Students say that the college provides excellent Wi-Fi, smart, clean and well-lit classrooms and well-equipped labs. The campus features fully equipped workshops tailored for engineering students. Beyond the academic settings, secure hostels and modern cafeterias contribute to comfortable on-campus living. Students also note that there are 5 to 6 canteens in every block, each with an aesthetic ambience, offering healthy and delicious food. Students note that the campus features various sports courts and hosts annual sports competitions as well. The main building houses a large indoor game room and a gym. Students appreciate the medical college and hostels across the campus, ensuring peace of mind with easy access to medical facilities. Transitioning to faculty and curriculum that have received a 3.9 star rating. The campus features Odell Hugo, a hub for activities and programs that immerses students in research and innovation, offering practical applications, collaboration, mentorship and industry exposure. With 21 research domains, various research centers provide shared labs where students learn tools, techniques and best practices and receive mentorships on projects. Students highlight that the experienced teaching staff provides a comprehensive learning experience. Faculty members are approachable and well qualified with significant experience. PES boasts of a 3.8 star rated campus life. Atmatrisha, the annual techno-cultural fest by PES University, attracts over 20,000 attendees. Student tech activities include innovation and research, while cultural pursuits encompass diverse clubs and events. Social responsibility involves community engagement and impactful initiatives. The campus hosts around 152 clubs, including 15 popular, 52 recommended and 40 new ones. Students highlight diverse extracurricular opportunities on campus, including festivals and monthly hackathons that boost resume building skills. Now finally, the ranking, where the institute has yet to secure a position on the NIRF rankings. For more details on PES and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.